So did they pack him out or what happened?
Nah, they just got a
Yeah, just hang tight. We're
a
gonna get
little
to it.
swing off.
Do a swing hit
It
in the
looked
back
like
of
they
the
barely
head.
touched him, man.
Right too.
Niggas is getting lazy, man. I need a co-host. Straight up. I'm looking for a nigga to run the motherfucking room because these niggas is getting lazy. This nigga REEK is getting lazy. He too comfortable in his pocket.
I'm trying to figure out why
Caddy,
every
you know
time.
what the nigga just told me, Caddy?
Oh shit. What do you say, bro?
He just woke up, but the boss is up doing it. But holla at your man's, Caddy. He
Yeah.
maybe, I don't know if he understands what that means. Holla at your man. You just woke up.
Nigga
Yeah,
The
the
fumbling.
boss
boss,
didn't lay down till 5.
the
But I'm
boss, yo, look, right, look, the boss ain't never supposed to be there, beat you there, nigga. You supposed Oh to be shit. there. He supposed to come
That's a
with
fact.
shaking. He
That's a
supposed to come
fact.
shaking the
yeah.
key. He supposed to come shaking the keys, and you sitting in the front like, okay, I've been there for a little
Boss
while.
supposed to be like,
Yeah.
nigga, you still here?
Yeah, my
They do
nigga.
to say that. Nigga say, you better beat me there. Don't meet me there.
Not
I was
only
just on
that,
the
not
phone with
only
him.
have
He
I
did
been
just
up,
wake up.
I done been up and talked to the Zoe. Yeah, he said, don't meet me there, beat me there. That's a
Yeah.
fact.
Don't meet me.
See what's
Disrespect
going
like
I done
that.
beat you
on.
past 3 rooms
I'm
already.
expecting this nigga to see what's going on, and I come to it already being up.
You see, Wack, he just opened a new room.
Now, why is he opening the room? See what I'm saying? Weird. Blood gotta go.
I'm modding y'all up right now. Everybody, I'm modding y'all up right
Nigga,
now.
what the fuck is he opening the room for?
Hey, Wack, check your
Yeah, because
phone.
that splits the room.
Oh, everybody's in here
Man,
right
where's
now.
Pitbull? We need
Everybody, we already got it set up.
shit, y'all.
Oh, I'm
Where
just
my
saying it's
auntie
already
at?
set up. It don't make
Yo, man, I
sense.
need a, hey, listen, I'm looking for somebody to stand on the side of me, bro. I got a job position open. I'm looking.
I
Somebody got
need
to
a
run this
job.
shit.
God
I'm
damn,
doing
hell
too much
yeah.
shit, bro. This nigga right here getting
I
lazy,
need a
my nigga.
job.
I need a job too, beast. Shit.
Swear to God, nigga,
Me three.
I remember when I got my first fucking truck contract. By the time them niggas got in, they was like, yo, Jones already on his second load. You niggas just getting to work. Jones,
Hey,
you
Gotta
got
load right
authority.
now, going
Bros,
to
you want the new
Pasadena.
truck. Like, niggas is getting lazy, my nigga.
hey,
This why
speaking of
niggas stay
J1's Wack,
broke.
J1 just popped up into the building.
This why niggas stay broke, bro. Because niggas think they doing enough. It ain't never enough.
Hey, Wack, check that message.
Yeah, I fell asleep in the room last night, but I'm
Yeah,
up
nigga,
now,
me
man. Let me
too.
see what's
But me
going
too,
on. Hell
though.
yeah.
I did too, though.
Hell
5 in the
yeah. Hell yeah.
morning.
Oh, God, hell yeah.
I
I'm here,
send
though.
these
I'm here.
niggas to work, like, but I'm saying though, like my nigga, you ain't even put the shit up on YouTube.
Yeah, I don't even have it
Yeah,
right
I
now. I'm
know.
going through my
Yeah, I
shit.
know. But Reek, you sitting on 10 million? I'm sitting on 10 million and I'm still moving the way I'm moving. I'm moving like I'm starving, surviving off a couple noodles, my nigga.
Nah, for sure. I'm finna find that video and put it up. I'm finna find it
You
right now.
know who got the shit. A-Rod got the shit. You needed
Bro,
access
A-Rod,
to the
send me.
shit. I sent you access to the shit last night, but it still ain't up. This what I mean about niggas getting lazy.
A-Rod, send me the thing. I don't have a message from A-Rod sending me shit, but A-Rod, send me that
Hey,
real quick, bro.
yeah, I need an email because this level is
A-Rod,
too
hey,
good.
A-Rod should
All right,
have
I'm
had a
finna send you
message
right now.
from you saying, send me the shit. And
I
I
know
know what
A-Rod
I
had it,
sent you
bro.
last night. Just saying, my nigga. Story like
Let me
this
see.
break, nigga. I'm talking to TMZ. I'm talking to academics. I'm talking to 6ix9ine. I'm talking to these little crazy Haitians. I'm thinking I'm going to turn around and you already got the room up. I
Yeah, the
had to
only thing you
open the
sent me
room.
was the password. Only thing you sent me was the YouTube password. I didn't get a
What
video
time you
from you,
get
Wack.
that? What time did you get that?
You sent me the YouTube password at 1:11.
Okay, what time is it?
Right now it's
You
7:41.
don't see nothing wrong with that?
Well, I don't
You
have
don't
the
see?
video, but
Well,
A-Rod,
hey,
send it
look,
to me
that
real
ain't my
quick.
motherfucker. You told me, Wack, I need the password to put the shit up. That's what you told me, right?
For sure, you right. Hey,
Okay, so I
A-Rod,
don't
just go
know
ahead and
how
do that
you
too.
get the video. That's your
All right,
fucking job. It been
for
6
sure.
hours. We got 700 niggas that then ran 12 laps already, and we just getting started.
All right, for sure.
Niggas gotta
A-Rod,
pay
I'm gonna
attention,
send
bro.
you the email.
Niggas
Nah,
gotta
for sure. You right.
niggas gotta pay
I'll
attention, my
get it to
nigga.
you right away.
Cause
All right,
see,
for
one
sure.
thing that don't get you the money is an excuse.
You right. You
Excuses
right.
don't get you the bag, bro.
For sure. For sure. I respect that.
Wake up, my nigga. First nigga in the room with me is Vice. I had to bean up a nigga that know that's a little bothered with me right now. But you know what? That nigga here take
Nah.
the bean. No, Vice, it's real shit, nephew. I understand the politics. You supposed to be slightly bothered with me right now. Real shit. On some gangster shit. The fact that if you wasn't bothered with me right now, then you ain't taking your rightful position on who you stand with. I respect it. But I do respect the fact that the room open, you was the first nigga here. Even though you might be bothered. But those that's supposed to be with me, I'm fighting 17 niggas for 3 minutes. I done lost 9 teeth. Nigga want to do this shit, do this shit. If not, don't do it.
All right, A-Rod, you should have it by now. Send it to me
Yeah,
so I
I
can
got
put
it.
it to the
I'm getting ready to
YouTube. All right,
send
for
it.
sure.
Yep.
All right, for sure.
Yeah, man. Here go the 6ix9ine clip. Put the shit up, man. Crazy, my nigga. Y'all niggas better get on your A game. The old man ain't supposed to beat a young nigga to work. I got a wife with ass, fine, asshole naked. I didn't put all that to bed. Hey, turn in your business. I gotta go to work. That's it. I got more money than you. My woman better than yours. I've been up later than you. Ain't no way y'all supposed that I'm older than you and I'm richer than you. You supposed to be hustling harder than me. Just gonna keep it gangster.
Nah, I agree, nigga. I can't help it for niggas sleep. Shit, that's the only
Hey,
thing.
listen.
I
See,
wouldn't I
that's the
wouldn't ignore it
problem
though.
though, nephew. The problem is
Yo,
you
Reek,
sleep too
Reek,
much.
just soak it up, Reek. Don't even.
You
That's
sleep.
it, bro.
The problem is you sleep too much. I ain't slept in 2 decades. I rest.
Hell yeah.
When you
That's some real
sleep, you
shit.
don't know what's going on around you. The
Nah,
fact
I
that I
can
was
agree.
resting in that phone run, yo, Wack, what up? My man's got to your man last night. No shit. They spared him, but he owed a clip. So hold on. Act, I ain't hear Act 6, what happened? They tried to get off on me. They beat the vice. Yeah, they tell me y'all whooped on a nigga, but slow down. It's too close. I'm thinking I'm going to come look at Clubhouse and you already own it because it's up on TMZ.
Yeah, I'm trying to put that link. It says link the app doesn't support that link, but A-Rod's about to make it and I'm about to put it up. Damn, that shit crazy. That nigga
We need a
6'9".
co-host to the co-host. You know, till my man wake up, you know, nigga I don't know what's going on. Nigga might be a little drunk. Know what's going on.
Nigga, I'm up. I just said the link
You
don't
know what I
support
mean?
it.
Maybe the nigga jacking off too much. I don't know what's happening. Know what's going on.
Sorry, we don't support that link. Let's
I
not
don't
do
know.
that.
Figure it out. I don't give a fuck. Figure it out.
All right, for
Nigga
sure.
screen recorded. I don't know what you got to
You
do.
got to get the one off YouTube.
I got you.
Got the gardeners going on. Nigga, all kind of shit going on. These young niggas. Caddy, these young niggas can't fuck with us, bro. These young niggas. I was sleep. Fuck out of here. Niggas crazy.
That's the link right there.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video. And don't forget to subscribe.